In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the license plate bracket on your Toyota Highlander, located on the front bumper. Using a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts off the front license plate bracket. Using a paint-safe cleaning product, spray the bumper and wipe it down. If you have a plate, put the plate on here and line the screws up with it. Install your screws through the plate and then line it up with the holes on the car. Start them by hand. And then tighten them down. Be sure not to over-tighten these. You do not want to strip out the bumper. And that'll do it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.